So the technology that I found is Readworks, and it is a digital library of informative and narrative texts. So this is geared more towards that ELA content area. I've chosen ISTE standards 3.3E and 3.2A to align to this platform. One of the things I love about Readworks is it has a lot of science and social studies content areas to help integrate and create that cross-curricular assignment. Within Readworks, I can import my classroom using Google Classroom. So as a educator, I have this teacher dashboard or class admin, and I can add students to it. I can look at the assignments that I've created. I can schedule future assignments. I can view past assignments. And I can view student progress, which is a great assessment tool. So if I wanted to assign something, I would go to Find Content. And since it's Black History Month, we can click on this. Something else I can do is I can search by grade level. I can choose an activity type that I would like to attach to it. I can make sure that it has human voice audio, which is something that all the articles come with, which is great for some of my lower level learners who have difficulty decoding. Then it's more about the comprehension instead of that ability to read. So in order to assign something, I can scroll through. So we're going to choose 4th grade because that's grade I teach. And we're going to look at this article right here that's getting the wrinkles out. And so here is the option. If I want my students to be able to listen to it, I can change the speed. There's a vocabulary activity with it, sort of a KWL type activity. Here are the words that will be in this passage, and then they would choose to click and drag based on their knowledge of these words. And following the passage, there is a comprehension question set. And again, the passage itself, it's not terribly long. And so if I wanted to assign that to my students, I would just come up here and choose Assign. And here are the things that I could choose. I would want to include the audio, the vocab activity, the comprehension questions, and which class I want to assign it to. I can also schedule this for a later date. That's it. I can assign a due date, and then I click Assign. And so then once my students were done, I could go in and view their progress. I could check those comprehension questions. So this is great for those asynchronous learning moments.